Hey everyone, I'm Jason, co-founder of Memo. I'm currently a fourth-year medical student in clinical training, and I'm excited to announce Memo V8, one of the biggest updates we've ever released. For the last 2 years, Memo has been known as an AI flashcard tool. With V8, we're expanding Memo into a full AI knowledge workspace built not just for students, but also for academics, researchers, and professionals who need to absorb and use large volumes of information. Everything in Memo is organized into folders and notebooks, and each notebook follows a simple 3-step workflow. Step 1, sources. Step 2, chat. And step 3, studio. In sources, you can upload an unlimited number of sources, including PDFs, websites, YouTube, and text. And behind the scenes, Memo runs an intelligent ingestion pipeline. For PDFs, we parse text, diagrams, images, and visuals. For YouTube, we capture timestamped transcripts. For websites, we preserve layout and content structure. All this feeds into a retrieval engine so your notebook becomes searchable, connected, and usable. Step 2 is chat. Chat allows you to think and create across all your sources at once. You can ask questions, compare ideas, draw links, and synthesize information across all your docs in one place. You can also generate outputs directly in chat, including flashcards, mind maps, multiple choice questions, images, and diagrams. Chat supports multiple languages and multiple frontier models such as from ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, and Anthropic. Also, you can use our fine-tuned models, Memo 1, which is optimized for learning and speed. Step 3 is Studio, where Memo becomes a complete learning engine. Studio follows a clear loop: encode, retrieve, and apply. Encode is for building understanding. You can use notes, mind maps, infographics, podcast, and tutor. Retrieve is for strengthening memory. You can use flashcards and track mode quizzes. Apply is for performance and transfer, connecting concepts, explaining ideas, and solving higher order problems across your sources using practice tests, for example. Inside Studio, Podcast creates an AI podcast where 2 co-hosts discuss your study material in an engaging audio format. Infographics generates visual diagrams that make complex ideas easier to understand. Within Track, you get a structured Duolingo-like learning path with lessons, mini lessons, and quizzes and voice tutor interactions. Practice tests stimulate exam conditions with multiple choice questions and short answer questions. Notes is where you can generate notes format such as Cornell and toggles. Then you can refine them in a full Notion-like editor. Mind maps build on an infinite visual canvas to connect concepts and see the bigger picture. And of course, flashcards, a core product and where Memo began. A full flashcard suite lets you study in multiple layouts and styles, including column, list, Notion toggle style views where you can review inline using spaced repetition, typing, which is a smart review mechanism, and traditional flip format. When you press learn, you enter a dedicated review suite where you can practice spaced repetition with a smart grading mechanism, audio-based reviews, or manual grading. You can also chat directly with your flashcards to diagnose misconceptions and close understanding gaps in real time. So most importantly, every studio mode is also customizable. So you can press the edit icon on any of these outputs to adjust the language, format, style, and even do a custom prompt to adjust your output. So the experience matches exactly what you want to learn best. So this is Memo V8, from information overload to understanding, retention, and real performance. And I can't wait for all of you to try it. Thank you.